let's say we want to instance these plane particles into Suzanne's head. Would that be possible to transfer the vertex color information directly to the instanced particles and get the color from its head? Well, I found that it is possible. The first thing you have to click on as instance, everything is going to get black. But now, if you add the same attribute color that Suzanne's head has and change that for instancer, and then you can transfer directly to your instanced particles without realizing that into geometry. And it's very powerful technique bringing that information to your shaders. And Suzanne looks very happy.